Welcome back to Nutrapreneur, the podcast spotlighting trailblazers in the nutraceutical industry. I'm your host, Bethany, and today we have the privilege of hosting Dr. Cuie Yan, the Vice President of Encapsulation and Application at Blue California Co. With over 25 years of pioneering clean and sustainable ingredient solutions, Blue California continues to lead with science-driven innovations. Dr. Yan is a key figure behind Blue California's novel microencapsulation technology. And so she joins us today diving into the world of encapsulation, the company's entrepreneurial spirit, and the future of natural products. Welcome, Dr. Yan. It's so great to have you today.
Thank you so much for having me. Yes, of course. It's
Yeah.
my pleasure to join this event.
Absolutely. And I think it'd be great for you to start off by telling us about your role at Blue California and how it aligns with the company's mission for innovative health solutions.
My pleasure. I'm the head of the Encapsulation and Application Division of Blue California. My division is to support internal and external partners to protect and control deliver the functional ingredients such as nutrient, natural color, isomers, probiotics, etc., also including the pharmaceutical active ingredients to maximize their health benefit to human and animals.
Yes, that's great. Sounds like a very important role that you have there. And, in the market's increasing demand for cleaner labels, how does Blue California's fine cap novel delivery system stand out in enhancing product effectiveness and the consumer appeal?
Yes, we only use food grade material or biodegradable food grade materials to an innovative green technology to create deliver systems to protect functional ingredients and improve their taste and bioavailability. Also achieve the desired color, flavor, and stability of the final products, thus enhance their effectiveness and consumer appeal.
Yes, absolutely. I think, taste and appearance is also an important aspect in the consumer world. They want to have something that doesn't taste bad. They want to have something that looks the same every time or looks familiar to them. But then they also want to see that bioavailability aspect as well. So it's great that you're able to combine all of those aspects into your research.
Exactly. In fact, the taste and the bioavailability are the key for all of the nutrients.
Yes, absolutely. And you've been very instrumental in advancing microencapsulation technology. So, can you share with us a specific example where this technology has significantly impacted a product's success?
Of course, one notable example of microencapsulation technology significantly impact a product success in the field of probiotics is pretty trendy. Probiotics are live microorganisms that confer health benefits when consumed in adequate amount. However, probiotics are sensitive to environment such as pH, temperature, and moisture, which can reduce their viability and efficacy. This presents a challenge for formulating probiotics products that can maintain their viability throughout their shelf life and pass it through the gastro tract. So the microencapsulation technology offers a solution to this challenge by protecting probiotics within tiny capsules or particles, provide a barrier to isolate from the environment. This technology enables the controlled release of the probiotics to ensure their survival until they reach the target site, so they can exert their beneficial effects. The successful application of microencapsulation technology in probiotic supplements has led a wide range of products on the market that offer improved stability, efficacy, and convenience for consumers. This innovation has contributed to the growth of probiotics market and has enhanced the overall quality and effectiveness of the probiotics products.
Yes, and I think that's a very important challenge that you addressed. So many of us are wanting to consume more probiotics because, like you said, there are so many benefits to the various probiotic strains, but finding a supplement that actually is still viable and still effective can be quite difficult, actually.
Exactly. Otherwise, you can consume as much, but there's no function at all.
Yes, absolutely. Those are all
It's
great.
already dead. Yeah,
Yes.
those are
Yeah.
cells.
So you're purchasing something that's not going to work,
Yeah, you even
unfortunately.
don't know. Yes.
Yes. Well, and Blue California is also known for its commitment to sustainability, health, wellness, and science. So, how do all of these values guide your research and your development processes, especially in this encapsulation division?
Sure. So our commitment to sustainability and science serve as a guiding principles in our research and development. We call it R&D, particularly within the encapsulation division. Here is how these values influence our approach. First, it's always sustainable sourcing. We only, as mentioned, we only use food grade and biodegradable raw or shell materials. Second is a green technology. We invest the development and adoption of green technology that minimize energy consumption, waste generation, and environment impact throughout the whole process. Third is scientific rigor. Our R&D efforts are grounded in scientific rigor and evidence-based practice. We leverage cutting-edge research and technology to enhance the performance, the stability, and efficacy of our encapsulation systems.
Yes, all of those values, I think, have really helped to develop a successful business model at Blue California. I'm glad to hear that, sustainability is such a priority there because it's so important.
Yeah, now the sustainability not only for food and beverage, also extend to pharmaceutical and even cosmetical and personal products too. Personal
Yes.
care products, yeah.
Yes. And, as you mentioned, there's a vast range of applications. So, from dietary supplements to those cosmetics, how do you ensure that your innovations meet both regulatory and consumer expectations?
Yeah, that's a great question. Ensure the innovation in the nutraceutical and cosmetic industry meet both regulatory requirements and consumer expectation is crucial for success. In my opinion, besides using food-grade materials for encapsulation and applications, we do need to pay attention to the following three items. First is compliance with regulations. Through our regulatory program, we stay updated on regulatory requirements specifically to consumers and the specific region. So where the product will be marketed. Second is a scientific substantiation. So base product claims on credited scientific evidence, such as clinical trials and peer-reviewed articles and research. The third is consumer education and feedback. As a scientist, we normally ignore that part. That's very important too, because consumer expectation. So we constantly educate consumers about the benefit and proper use of the product through informative packaging, product insert, website content, and other marketing materials, actively seeking feedback from consumers through surveys, reviews, and social media interaction to understand their preferences, their needs, and concerns. Use this feedback to redefine, redevelop product formulation and package design and marketing strategy to better meet customers' or consumers' expectation and preferences.
This episode is brought to you by NutraPayments.com. If your business needs credit card processing that fully integrates with most major Nutra software platforms, offers the lowest industry prices, and has built-in features like recurring billing, $0 trials, and chargeback prevention, then visit us at NutraPayments.com for a free online quote. Consumer education, I think, has become so important in recent years. Consumers want to understand what products they're taking, and they want to understand the science behind it. And then also, listening to that consumer feedback can be very beneficial for your team as well to really understand what consumers are looking for. And sometimes it can be a bit of a challenge to align what consumers are wanting with regulatory requirements, and then also being able to find the scientific data to really substantiate the claims and the benefits that they're looking for.
Yeah, a lot of effort behind the scene, I like to say.
Yes, absolutely. And given all of these current trends, where do you see the biggest growth opportunities in the nutraceutical industry? And how is Blue California positioned to capitalize on these trends?
Great question again. So, as you know, the nutraceutical industry is showing significant growth, driven by increasing consumer interest in health and wellness, as well as advancements in technology and research. In my opinion, I saw biggest growth opportunity in the following 4 areas. First is personalized nutrition. With advancements in technology such as genetic testing and artificial intelligence, personalized nutrition is become more accessible. Companies can tailor nutraceutical product to individuals based on their genetic makeup, lifestyle, and goals. So, Blue California, we support individual partners to encapsulate their nutrients tailored to their specific needs. The second trend is aging population. As the global population continues to age, there's a growing demand for nutraceutical targeting age-related health concerns such as joint health, cognitive decline, and cardiovascular disease. Products contain ingredients such as omega-3, CoQ10, and L-oxalane. We, Blue California, produce all of those products contain those functional ingredients. And we also offer contract service to many omega-3 companies, partners. And also for ourselves, recently we launched the Ego Active. Have you heard about it?
I have not.
It's the clinical proven brand of oxalane. So
Wow.
we cover all of the trendy functional ingredients.
Yes, absolutely. And I think, you touched on a lot of topics that are very popular right now. I know we've talked about all of the technological advancements just on this podcast and how AI is really playing a role in the nutraceutical world now. And then the aging population, like you said, I know that those individuals are really looking into products that can help them live a more vibrant quality of life.
Yeah, throughout their lifespan, yes. Or the third trend, as you know, is a functional food and beverage, food and
Yes.
medicine. So functional ingredient, like we talk about probiotics, omega-3s, and antioxidants are high in demand. They also grow interest in plant-based food and beverage. Yeah, so for that to address specific health concerns like, immunity, gut, and the mental health, we support our partners to encapsulate all of those functional ingredients. We also innovated and commercialized our own product that is a TiO2 replacement. It's plant-based, food grade, and natural because EU bans the TiO2 for food and beverage. In fact, a lot of cosmetic company and a pharmaceutical company, uh, purchase our TiO2 replacement too.
Oh, wow.
The,
That's interesting.
yeah, so the fourth trend, I think is pretty new, is a CBD product because,
Yeah.
the legalization of CBD in various regions has opened up opportunities for the use of CBD. So CBD is being incorporated into supplements, cosmetic, beverage, skincare, and personal care product. Even some commercialized pillows, they have CBD. And for women's, product too, because the health benefit of, pain relieving, relaxation, and stress reduction. We patented the controlled release of CBD long time ago too.
That's incredible. Yeah, CBD is just popping up everywhere in all sorts of products. And I hope that we continue to see some growth with that and also some more defined regulations as well. I think that will kind of make things a bit easier across the nation for the CBD products.
Yeah, so look for us if you need CBD to be, controlled and not to the
Mhm.
marketplace.
Yes, yes, absolutely. And you've touched on some of these things already, but looking forward, what are some of the emerging technologies or methodologies that you believe will really shape the future of encapsulation?
Sure. So as we emphasized again and again, we always use food grade and biodegradable materials to protect those functional ingredients. We also only use green technology. That means short process, low temperature, and low energy consumption, such as, supercritical CO2 technology and 3D printing. That's also not only for food and beverage, for cosmetic product, even like, for example, the laundry flavor and the softener. Before we use the plastic microcapsules, they're not biodegradable. So that's reason severely pollute our water, soil, everything.
Yes. And Blue California thrives on this entrepreneurial mindset. So, how does this culture influence your team's approach to innovation and problem solving?
Yeah, this mindset is all about being innovative, adaptable, and proactive in finding solutions to the problem. In my team, this mindset really shaped our team's approach to innovate and problem solving by fostering creativity, resilience, collaboration, and relentless focus on delivering value to our customers. It empowers us to embrace change, adapt to challenge, and seize opportunities for growth and success.
Yes, all important things. I think it's good to have that entrepreneurial spirit always, especially in this industry.
Yeah, as apply to all of the whole history
Yes.
industry. Yeah.
And you've discussed a lot of exciting things that are happening at Blue California, but are there any particular exciting projects or innovations that we can expect to see from Blue California in the near future? Are there any new areas or applications that you're exploring?
Yes, I am very excited. We're going to launch a new product. I'm not sure if majority of people heard about it. It's microencapsulated essential amino acid.
Wow, that's exciting.
Yeah, so our human cannot produce essential amino acid. It has to be from like our diet, our food, and the supplements. However, some of the essential amino acid, they are not water soluble. That means they are not really bioavailable. Meanwhile, they are really, really bitter. So, microencapsulation really mask their bitterness and improve their bioavailability. So this product is right now is under production trials. Yeah, another benefit for this essential amino acid. Ingest essential amino acid can be threefold more effective than the whole protein. For example, the whey protein. That means 10 grams of essential amino acids equals 30 grams of whey protein in terms of promoting protein synthesis. So that is a great food or supplement for space exploration, for sports nutrition, for war fighting, and for disaster relief.
Yes, it sounds like a product that could benefit a lot of different people. So I think it'll be very successful. And if you've been able to cut out that bitterness, that makes it even better.
Yeah, the bitterness and the key is bioavailability too. And it's also convenient because you see, for example, for the warfighters, every gram of weight is very important, also for the space exploration. So this is 3 times more effective than just your whole protein.
That's incredible. That's great. Very exciting.
Me too.
Yes. Well, Dr. Yan, thank you once again for sharing your insights and the cutting edge work that's happening at Blue California. It's clear that your efforts in encapsulation technology are enhancing products and paving the way for healthier futures. To our listeners, thank you for tuning in. Be sure to explore Blue California and its innovations more by visiting their website, which is linked in our episode description. Don't forget to subscribe and join us next time as we continue to uncover the dynamic world of nutraceuticals. Until then, keep striving for health and innovation.